We've been informed that a deposit has been made or has been started for our account, so we're going to look at the payment statements and pull our most current payment statement, and we'll look at the beginning balance, which was the reserve from last payment statement. We have our orders, we have our product charges or refunds, our selling fees, and our closing balance minus the unavailable, which is our reserve for this time, and then our payment. We've been using the statement view. Now we want to go to the transaction view. Then we'll want to go down to the date drop down and make sure we have the same date that we were working on in the previous view. You can see that there are several pages, about 6, so we're going to jump straight over to download and get this in an Excel form so that we can work with it. In Chrome, it'll drop in the left-hand corner, and we'll open that as a text file like we did with our inventory. We'll do Edit, Select All, Copy and Paste into an Excel file. Go ahead and click OK, and then we're going to clean up this Excel worksheet just a little bit. We'll expand a few columns and delete a few columns, so just follow along with the video. So the columns that we're going to keep are the date, the order ID, payment detail, amount, quantity, and the product title. In Excel, we need to add a line between the column titles and the contents so that we can sort the details. Then we'll go to Sort and Expand All. And now it's sorted the items so that we can work with them. We will be using Excel to add our columns with AutoSum. So we need to go in and add 2 lines between any items that are 2 or more to be added. And in some cases you may just add 1 line if there's only 1 figure there. And if you did like I just did in the FBA, you'll need to come back and add another line in there. You can see as I'm recording this video that I add 2 lines sometimes and 1 line sometimes, so you just have to go in there and put the correct amount of lines that you need. On the sales tax, they charge sales tax, and then there's a sales tax fee for charging sales tax. And then there's also some shipping and shipping chargebacks that will zero out. If you add those figures together in a column, then you'll see that they come to 0, and we'll show you that in just a moment. So here we are with all of our orders. So now if we click at the bottom of that line and then hit AutoSum, it will give you the full total. I like to bold that and make it stand out a little bit. And then we'll go and do the rest of these figures. So if we AutoSum here, now this is the shipping and shipping chargeback that I was talking about earlier that will offset one another, and I'm just showing you the 2 amounts so that you can see that they come to 0 when one is added and the other subtracted. So we could actually combine this column or this total, and when it's auto-summed will come to 0. See? So we're going to finish totaling these through auto-sum and bolding them, and then we're going to end this video and pick up in our next video with how to add it to our posting worksheet. So stay tuned.